What is mindful eating?
Mindful eating is about paying full attention to your food, noticing flavors, textures, and hunger cues. Instead of eating automatically, you become aware of what and how you're eating. This practice can help you build a healthier relationship with food and make mealtimes more enjoyable. Let's explore 5 simple steps to help you get started with mindful eating today.
Step 1. Slow down and remove distractions.
Begin by turning off screens and putting your phone away during meals. Eat slowly and give your full attention to your food. Take a deep breath before the first bite. Slowing down helps you notice taste and fullness, making it easier to avoid overeating and truly savor each bite.
Step 2. Engage your senses fully.
Use all your senses while you eat. Notice the colors, textures, smells, and even the sounds of your food. Chew slowly and try to identify the different flavors in each bite. By engaging your senses, you'll stay present and enjoy a richer eating experience.
Step 3. Tune in to hunger and fullness.
Before you eat, ask yourself if you're truly hungry or just eating out of habit or emotion. Check in with your body during and after your meal. Stop eating when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. Honoring your body's hunger and fullness cues helps prevent overeating and promotes self-awareness.
Step 4. Appreciate your food.
Take a moment to express gratitude for your meal. Think about where your food comes from and the effort to prepare it. Appreciating your food creates a positive mindset and makes eating a more meaningful experience, strengthening your connection to what you consume.
Step 5. Practice regularly and be patient.
Mindful eating is a skill that takes time to develop. Practice regularly, even if only for a few minutes at each meal. Don't worry if your attention wanders. Just gently bring it back to your food. Over time, mindful eating can lead to a healthier relationship with food and greater enjoyment at every meal.